Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to identify the original Kojie San from the fake Kojie San. Okay, so we all know that Kojie San is a very good lightening soap that helps with skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and so on. And has a very high grade of kojic acid in it, and due to the way this soap is trending, a lot of people have been buying, and some greedy set of people decided to start producing fake Kojie San soap, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to identify it, and when you want to buy, because these soaps now are very expensive, so don't go and waste your money, okay? And secondly, buying fake can be very very harmful because you don't know what was used in producing the soap, okay? And secondly, you might not even get results. I've been a victim of buying fake Kojie San last year, and in fact when I was using it, it was totally different from the original one, because I've used the original one before I even bought the fake one, so I knew this was not it. And I decided to do my own research to know how to identify it, okay? So this one I'm holding right here is the original. And when you go to a cosmetic store to buy this soap, the first thing you want to look out for, okay, is the expiring date. If you see this one, you would notice the production manufacturing date here is 8, which is August, 8th, which is the 8th day of the month, and 11th, which is November 2022. That was the production date of this particular soap, and the expiring date is also 8th of November 2024. We are in 2024 already, okay? So it is a space of 2 years. The original soap takes a space of 2 years for it to expire. You check the manufacturing date and check the expiring date. If it is 3, 4, 5 years, okay, this one I'm buying is fake, okay? That is how to identify the original from the fake, the one way you can identify it. All right, so the second way you can identify it is from the color. You can see this one is burnt orange. It is burnt orange, like it has a very fine deep orange color, while the fake one is kind of yellowish. I don't know how to put it. It has this whitish kind of orange color. I'm going to put up the picture so you can see what the fake is looking like. All right, so that's another way to identify it. Then the third way you can identify this is from the smell. The smell of this soap is so beautiful. It smells like this citrus orange kind of fragrance. It is not too strong, but the smell is kind of sharp, like it has a sharp orange citrus smell. Even with this soap well covered, I can still perceive the smell from the nylon. Do you understand? I've not even opened it. So that is another way to identify that this soap is original. When the color is looking deep orange or burnt orange, okay, this is the original soap. So this one is for you, like when you want to buy the soap, when you go to a cosmetic store, these two ways, checking the expiring date and checking the color of the soap, is the two simple way you can check in the cosmetic store before paying. So if you notice any difference from what I've told you, don't even bother buying, just go somewhere else and buy, okay? Then don't think these manufacturers, these fake people that are producing the fake ones, are dumb. Of course, I'm sure they've seen videos of how to identify fake and original Kojie San soap. So they already know, okay, this is the thing people are using to identify the color. They can work on their color and get an exact color like this, and they can also work on the expiry. After all, it's paper. They can just go and put a fake expiring date and make theirs 2 years as well, so that you can think, okay, this is original, but you might still be buying the fake. So I will be showing you other ways you can identify when you get to the house and you are using this soap and you're saying, this thing is not working now, it's not even lightening me, I'm getting darker, or you're just feeling off about the soap. There are other ways you can also identify if you actually bought the original or the fake. Do you understand? So I'll be showing you that, okay? So the other way you can identify an original Kojie San from a fake one is when you get to the house, you open your nylon, okay, and then you try cutting this. You can see how soft this is. You can't do this with the fake one. You can't do this with the fake one. The fake one is very very strong. They no burn you well. Make you use hand, even press and look at. If you want to also identify it, the original, just press it. It is soft. You will see the dents. I don't know if you can see the dents. Let me try it here. You can see how smooth this is. Let me press it. You can see the dents. You can see the dents here, the hole it gave. You can't do that with the fake one. The fake one is so strong, okay, but this one is soft to the touch. Like when you press it hard, it just gives you that hole. It is soft, it's looking soft, and it can easily melt. So when that's how when you buy Kojie San, the original one, and you want to use it, they advise you to cut it small and use it like that, because if you use everything like this, it will easily finish. It melts easily when it is close to water or in a wet environment. Do you understand? So another way you can identify the original Kojie San soap is that it foams very very well. I'm not even kidding. If you wet this soap or you wet your skin and apply this soap, it is going to lather well, like it's going to foam very well. You don't need to do too much. But you see the fake one, you have to scrub it on your sponge or rub it, scrub it for hard for a long time before you even see the foaminess coming out or the lather coming out. So that one is very difficult to foam, unlike this original one that foams very very fast. So another way to identify fake from original is this. When you put the fake one, just get water and pour it in a transparent cup or plate like this, or you can use this plastic takeaway plate. Just cut little of the soap and pour it inside a cup like this, okay, that is transparent. The fake one will give you this whitish color in the water. You will notice this kind of whitish color. I don't know if you can see this clearly. This whitish color, that's what it's going to give to you, okay. While the original, so you can see this one, this is the original Kojie San. In this particular one, you can see what it looks like. It is not looking whitish like palm wine like the other one that is fake. This one is giving us orange vibes. Can you see the orange vibes? You can see the color, what is looking like here. So that is what will tell you that this is original. It is not looking whitish. When you dissolve it in water, it is not looking whitish. It will give you this orangey color, okay. That's what it's going to be giving you. But the other one will give you this palm wine kind of whitish color. All right, so these are the 7 or I think 8, I don't even know, I've lost count of how many I mentioned. The 7 or 8 ways you can easily identify fake Kojie San from original Kojie San, okay. So if you want the original Kojie San, we have it available, so you can just send us a message. Check our description box, send us a message on WhatsApp, on Instagram to order for yours, okay. We sell original one, like you don't have any fear of buying fake from us. All right, so send Yanga Beauty Shop a message to order, okay. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment, share this video with your friends, and also hit on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.